5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Come on.
Bro, you're so slow, dude.
What the fuck is that? No.
Kreek, go! Kreek, go! Wait, why are you guys... Wait, stop. Why is everybody so much faster? Stop. Why is everybody faster? What the hell is this?
No, bro. This.
Bro, why are both of you faster? This is so unfair. You guys cheated.
We're not cheating, man.
Bro, you cheated!
Oh!
He fell. Oh, he fell.
He did.
Bro, imagine dying to 2 giant balls. Oh!
Imagine.
Bro, don't.
No.
Oh!
No, wait. Yo, I'm lagging.
You're lagging.
Oh, bro, get a better PC, bro. Oh! Bro, he's cheating. Everybody in my stream is spamming that you are cheating, bro.
Bro, why would I?
What?
No, I would not.
He's using gravity coil. Kreek, he's cheating. He's using gravity coil.
Gravity coil.
Yeah,
No, I'm
I
not.
just literally watched him
Well,
jump
he's still in second
50,000
place,
feet
even
in the
with
air,
cheating.
bro.
Bro, it's not.
Oh my god, bro. Bro. Oh my gosh! This stupid game.
This is bad, Stick. Not gonna lie.
Dude, what do you mean this is bad? What are you talking about, dude?
Bro. How many percent y'all at?
I'm at 44.
23.
44.
Okay, I'm beating you now, bro.
Okay, 55%. I'm halfway there.
What the fuck?
Ah, keep shot.
Bro, get your ass out the way.
Oh, shut up, dude. You. Yes! Bro, okay, bro. You totally got a gravity coil. Don't try to. Dude, I see your stupid. I see you holding a gravity coil. And I'm still beating you. Oh my god, dude. That is embarrassing, man.
My man's only good at one game.
What?
Games that involve balls.
Oh.
Whoa, how do I?
Bro, you're about to get.
Oh my god, bro.
Chat. Yeah, chat. We know he's cheating. He's still losing, though.
I'm feeling pretty confident about this. I think I'm gonna keep my hair today.
Yeah, bro. So am I. If you don't win this, I'm unfriending you, bro. I will win. Okay, I will. Bro, what is this goofy music in my ear?
What goofy music?
What is this music you're playing, KreekCraft?
Oh, that's
Yo, Kreek. Yo, Kreek, what percent you at?
45.
Come on. Come on. What percent are you at? What percent speed?
I'm at 23.
Okay, you are such a liar. I can see you, bro.
I'm gonna go get some food real quick. I'll come back in an hour and finish winning.
Bro. Ah, just... Okay, you know what? Oh my... Okay, guys.
Steak, I thought you were good at hobbies, man.
Okay, yeah, I'm good at hobbies that aren't this one.
Oh, okay.
Bro. Bro.
Bro, you chose this, bro. What do you mean?
That is true. That is true. Maybe we should have went with easy obby.
Oh, I finally caught up to him.
I'm not sure.
Yo,
That's
mind
correct.
that. Yo, Kreek, bro. What you want, bro?
58.
What the
No!
I'm at 48. I'm right behind him. Oh. Oh, shit. Bro, he pushed me off the edge.
Dude, this is bad. I can't get past this point. I'm kind of stuck.
Kreek, hurry, bro.
It's not working.
This is so bad. I'm stuck.
Oh my god.
Bro, what in the world?
Oh my god.
I can't.
God!
I can't get enough
Bro.
speed on this.
I think, bro, he's lagging so badly.
Bro, I can't. I'm so confused.
Bro, stop! Bro, your fat ass keep pushing me, bro. Get your fat ass on.
Oh,
Fucking
shut up,
Griffin.
dude, before I whip out my taser.
Or if I whip out a McDonald's burger, big boy.
Oh, then I'll eat it, you bitch.
Exactly. That's the point.
Yeah, so? God damn it, stupid balls!
Yo, Creek, where you at?
60%.
60?
Yep.
60 what?
69.
Bro, my God, bro. Bro, this... Damn. Where you at now?
71.
Yeah.
Bro, what are you at? What are you at? What are you at?
Where you at now, Creek?
67.
Cat, how do I make this jump?
Bro, steak.
All right. All right, Creek, where you at right now?
Creek, how do I make this jump, dude?
Bro,
70.
no way.
Dude, this jump is impossible!
Steak, are you ahead of him or behind him?
No, because I don't have a gravity coil like he does.
Bro, I'm not using gravity coil, you jackass.
Bro, I literally passed you and I saw a blue little spring. Explain what that is. Explain what that is.
Bro.
That's his IShowMeet.
Bro, it was pretty small, so that makes sense.
Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. Like, on God.
Chat, I'm spamming jump!
Yo, Creek, where you at?
75.
Bro, how are you so... Bro, this shit's stupid, bro.
Dude, I don't understand. Oh, finally.
Steak, you doing good, man?
Yeah, I'm on 62.
You still sticking with your if IShowSpeed beats me, I'm gonna shave my eyebrow thing?
Bro, first of all, he's cheating, so I haven't made a decision yet on if I will accept that.
Yo, Creek, where you at?
82.
Oh,
Chat, I'm feeling pretty good about this.
how far are you, Creek?
Far enough.
Bless
I'm
America,
catching up, I'm
bro.
catching up.
Yo, Creek, where you at?
85.
No, you're not. You're a liar. This guy's a fucking liar, dude.
Bro, says you with your little gravity coil. Dude, this stupid game.
Creek, bro, you're a liar, dude.
Wait a minute.
Where you at right now?
Right now I'm at 92.
Dude. Guys, lying.
Oh wait, I think I can see you. Right behind me.
Okay,
Oh,
go,
crap.
go,
This
go,
is bad,
go,
guys. I
go.
think he's gonna get me.
Go!
Oh, this is bad.
You
No,
can't
Creek,
see
no,
me.
No, 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 no.
He's literally right there.
Creek, no, 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 Creek, no, no, no.
Oh, I might have to shave my hair. Oh my God.
Creek, what are you doing, bro? Stop it. Keep going, bro.
I'm going.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I won. Oh my God, I won. Oh my God, I won.
Oh yeah, how you doing, man? What's up?
Creek, did you beat him?
Yeah, I beat him. I've been here for the past like few minutes.
Let's freaking go, bro. Let's freaking go. Easy. Bro, I guess that means Fortnite now. Huh.
A very important person.
Bro.
His name is John Cena. He is a very good person.
Steak, you gonna get to the end anytime soon, man?
Bro, I'm coming, man.
I mean, you're making all these excuses. I didn't cheat one bit. And I'm at the end right now.
Bro, he cheated. We all saw it.
I didn't cheat. And I'm still here.
Okay, well, yeah, that's because you literally just play Roblox all day. Bro, okay, whatever. Just pick a new game.